What's the tallest mountain? No, not just on Earth, like which I talked about in my previous video about how there isn't a definite answer. It's either Chimborazo, Mount Everest, or Mauna Kea or Denali, soon to be renamed to Mount McKinley. But I didn't specify where, and since we've only seen really mountains in our solar system, then that's basically the limit of your answer. So what's the tallest mountain in the solar system? Well, it isn't on Earth, of course. You have to venture all the way out to the separate planet of Mars. The mountain in question, of course, is the famous Olympus Mons, which stands 27 kilometers towering above Mars' surface. This is 2.7 times higher than the tallest mountain on Earth from base to top, Mauna Kea, which is only 10 kilometers high, of course. This is massive compared to it, and it truly makes every mountain on Earth pale in comparison to it. This is formed through the same process as Mauna Kea was, which is basically through magma spewing up from inside of the planet's core and then solidifying as lava into igneous rock on its surface, and this builds up layer after layer after layer after layer after layer after layer for millions, if not billions of years, just like Mauna Kea. However, unlike Mauna Kea, this one won't be growing because Olympus Mons, of course, is on Mars, and Mars has been cold and not had an active magma for billions of years. If you were to cut it in half straight down the middle and hold one of its halves, you would see, unlike Earth, where there would be liquid rock all around this section here in the mantle, Mars, it would just be solid rock all the way too. That's another reason why there isn't any liquid water on it anymore. And because of this, it is technically true that Mauna Kea will overtake Olympus Mons as the tallest mountain in the solar system. But there are other mountains, of course, that we may not have yet seen that could actually be taller, and Mauna Kea could simply collapse before it is able to reach the height of Olympus Mons. However, the problem with measuring Olympus Mons' size is that it is really wide. In fact, it's over 400 miles wide. It's as wide as the US state of Arizona. Here it is placed on Arizona on Earth. And so, if we want to truly show its ginormosity, we have to shrink it down to the same width as Mauna Kea. And if we start to do that, you can truly see how tall it is. And there's even a tiny little hill, Mount Everest, which is normally said to be the tallest mountain, even if it's an open-ended question without saying Earth. But now you know that that isn't true. So now, of course, remember to answer Olympus Mons if someone ever asks you,